Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometry. To begin, focus on understanding the fundamental building blocks. Start by grasping the unit circle and how angles relate to it. Memorize the basic trigonometric identities and formulas like sine, cosine, and tangent. Practice defining these functions using right-angled triangles. Also, learn to convert between degrees and radians accurately, as this is crucial for many problems. Next, you'll want to master the core concepts that build upon your foundation. Apply the Pythagorean theorem to solve for sides in right-angled triangles. Use SOHCAHTOA to find unknown sides and angles efficiently. Practice problems involving inverse trigonometric functions to determine angles from ratios. Finally, understand the graphs of sine, cosine, and tangent, including their periods and amplitudes. Once you're comfortable with the basics, delve into more advanced identities and laws. Learn the sum and difference formulas for angles, which are essential for expanding expressions. Practice double and half-angle identities to simplify complex equations. Understand the law of sines and the law of cosines for solving non-right triangles. Finally, develop skills in solving various types of trigonometric equations. The most crucial step in learning trigonometry is consistent practice. Solve a variety of problems daily to reinforce your understanding and build confidence. Don't shy away from reviewing challenging concepts and reworking difficult examples until they click. Apply trigonometry to real-world scenarios, such as in physics or engineering, to see its practical value. Remember to seek additional resources if you get stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.